Jose Gerbe, 1993 Cobra. Main reason I got this car is because when I was like 17 or 18 in high school, the Fox Body was one of my first cars that I actually raised and built and everything. So I kind of came back to them. So now I built this one, and I have a few others also that I've built. It's a fully built engine, man of war block, 9-to-1 compression. The heads are 55cc to lower the compression a bit. Running 20 pounds of boost on an F1X Pro Charger. In the back, in the differential, I'm running 411s, fully built 8.8 with a Power Glide 2-speed transmission with a 5,000 stall. The reason I kind of went with a 5,000 stall is since I have a couple of other cars, this is going to be basically what was going to be just my drag car, but it ended up kind of turning into a show car slash drag car slash, you know, almost like every daily driver kind of car. You know, it's just so fun to drive. But I mean, the system running in is going to be a Terminator X with the 12-inch Holly dash. I've done, I think, everything to this car. Everything in the back exhaust is 3 inches all the way to the back with full length headers. The interior is all done up as well with bucket seats. It's pretty much everything that I've done to it, man. It's just a really fast car. So far, nobody's taking me out, you know, so far, but you can't say never, you know.